Hey kids. So, yeah, we're back again with another episode of VM Installation. It's been a while, hasn't it? So, yeah, so today we are doing macOS 10.4 Tiger. Yeah, and we're going to be running this in QEMU once again, and yeah. So I already have the QCOW2 right here, and yes, I'm still using this record screen using handheld thing kind of way to film videos. I know it's pretty like annoying, like the whole moray pattern thing, but honestly, OBS Studio just doesn't work on here, and I don't have any microphone for this thing, and the microphones I do have, like for the headsets, are shit. So yeah. Okay, so here I have a little simple command here. It's going to run QEMU system-ppc. And, yeah, so we should just be good to go with this. So, 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is. Okay, the only way I'm gonna be able to do this without going fucking insane is gonna have to shrink the window. So, yeah, it looks pretty shitty, but it'll have to do. Welcome to the macOS 10 installer. So, before we do anything, we gotta go to no, not startup disk, please, go away. Disk utility, QEMU hard disk, erase, macOS extended journaled, name, Tiger, erase, erase. Okay, I got really tired of holding the camera, so hopefully this should be a less motion sickness inducing camera angle. Let's see, continue. Continue. Agree. Tiger, right there. Okay, customize. And we're going to get rid of the language transitions, get rid of the additional fonts, and get rid of the printer drivers. We really don't need them. So, yeah, there we go. Install. We also need disk 2, so, yeah, we gotta make sure we have that ready, which, you know, we do, so it's fine. Oh, yeah, it has to check the installation CD. I'm gonna let it do that, just cause. Well, actually, I'm pretty sure this is good, so skip. Okay. And now it's installing Mac OS 10. Yeah. Computer will restart in 26 seconds. Well, how about we speed up that process by clicking this button? And I can't really see it too well, but I'm going to change this to C. There you go. Please insert the disk to continue installation. Well, I'll do that real quick. Inserted the disk through the monitor, and now it's continuing to install. So that's cool. Yay! Software is successfully installed. Okay, great. Go away. This keyboard cannot be identified and will not be useful until it is identified. Well, okay. Welcome. Okay, go with that. Do you already own a Mac? Don't transfer my information. Select your keyboard, US. Enter your Apple ID. Well, I don't want to. Can I not, please? Oh, you know what? I wonder. skip. There you go. So let's see. Create your account. Bella. Short name. Bella. Password. Well, pretty sure we don't need a password, do we? I'm gonna go with that. Time zone. Just go with that, I guess. Set the date and time. There we go, I guess. Don't forget to register. Well, I will forget to register because I can't register. But done. And here it is. So, yeah. Thank you all for watching VM installation episode. Go away, please. Episode 33. And, yeah. We'll see you next time. Bye.